Sunday fun day. It sucks when you have to remove something to get something on, and then you have to remove something to get something back on. Luckily this bumper is only held in by a few bolts, but this is the guy that I'm trying to put back on right here. Part of the plow blade support. This side's bolted up to the frame rail by the steering box, steering gear, steering box, and that side goes down low to the push plate. I had to remove this thing to install the new track bar, which is a thick black one. Right there, new steering box. Let's get with it.